Hi, welcome to Axel Learning Smart Math Challenge series. In this series, we'll explore challenging math questions and see if we can beat the clock and get the answer in under 10 seconds. First, we will show you the problem of the day. Next, we will try to solve the problem using the standard method, also known as the boring method. Then, we will explore AI responses like ChatGPT and Google's Gemini to see how they can solve these questions. And lastly, we'll show you a faster and smarter way to solve the question without using a calculator or an AI. Stay tuned till the end to see how we can solve this problem and if we can make it in less than 10 seconds. So, here's the problem. In a class of 80 students, there are 50 girls and 30 boys. The average weight of the class is 50 pounds. If the average weight of boys is 55 pounds, what is the average weight of girls? A. 45 pounds. B. 47 pounds. C. 53 pounds. D. 46 pounds. E. 51 pounds. Let's see how most people solve this kind of problem, the boring method. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you want to solve it first before we do. So, the boring method. The total weight of class is equal to 80 times 50 equals 4,000 pounds. The total weight of boys in the class is 30 times 55 equals 1,650 pounds. Total weight of girls in the class is 4,000 minus 1,650 equals 2,350 pounds. Hence, average weight of girls is equal to 2,350 divided by 50 equals 47 pounds. And the answer is letter B. And the estimated time to arrive at the answer is 45 seconds. Not bad. Now for the fun part, let's see if AI is smart enough to solve this correctly. We'll first start with ChatGPT and then we'll do the same with Google's Gemini. Here we are in ChatGPT. Let's paste the question and see. Remember, our answer was option B. Let's see how ChatGPT solves the problem. It's now analyzing the problem. And it was able to give us the correct answer, letter B. That was fast. Now let's try this in Google's Gemini. We'll paste the same question and see. Again, remember the answer was option B, 47 pounds, and it already gave us the correct answer. Wow, that was fast, faster than ChatGPT and the standard method. Great job for AI. As I had promised, let's see the fastest and smartest way to solve this question without the use of a calculator or an AI. Here's the same question. Pause the video now to see if you have a faster and smarter way to solve this question and beat the clock. So, here's the smart way. Again, the answer is option B, 47 pounds. The difference between 50 pounds and 55 pounds is 5 pounds, which is additional per boy in 30 boys. Hence, additional total weight equals 30 times 5 equals 150 pounds. This 150 pounds should be reduced from the weight of girls. Since there are 50 girls, average reduction per girl will be 150 divided by 50 equals 3 pounds. Hence, the answer is 50 minus 3 equals 47 pounds. The answer is letter B. The estimated time to arrive at the answer is 15 seconds. It's a little over than 10 seconds, but definitely faster than the standard method, and even faster than ChatGPT. Drop in a comment to share if you have an even better and faster way to solve this question. Like and subscribe to this channel for more such videos or visit us at www.axellearning.com. Thank you and stay tuned for the next one.